The wireless speaker market is saturated. No matter what size, shape, color, or power level you want, you can get it. Now, if you really want to make a splash, though, you have to find ways to stand out. The latest entry into this space is another offering by JBL. I'm Erin for Best Buy Canada's blog, and the JBL Charge 4 is a large cylindrical, wireless, rechargeable, Bluetooth, and portable speaker with about 30 watts of power. How durable is it? How does it sound? And is it a good buy? I had a chance to spend about a week with the device to find out. First up though, if you like this video, please hit that like button and don't forget to give us a sub here on the channel, since every click helps us keep making more videos. The contents of the box are appropriately slim. You'll get the speaker plus a Type-C USB cable for charging and the associated paperwork. The speaker is super simple to set up and use. Turn it on by pressing the power button along the top of your JBL Charge 4. Then press the Bluetooth button along the top next to the power button. The Bluetooth button will start flashing and you'll hear a pinging sound. Go to your Bluetooth settings and look for JBL Charge 4, then tap to connect. The Charge 4 will make a sound after a successful connection. A major feature that manufacturers are building into speakers today is smart voice assistant control. But sadly here, the JBL has no Google or Alexa connectivity built in. Now I feel like that's a bit of an oversight, particularly with a speaker that's so fresh on the market. If you want to talk to your speaker or use it to control your smart home devices like you can with something like an Amazon Echo or a Google Home, you're going to need to choose a different device. One of the handy features of this speaker, the one I have yet to actually use in practice, is that you can use it as a power bank. Just connect your cable to the USB in the back and you can juice up your phone in a pinch. The speaker is hefty and feels pretty durable. Now, because this speaker's a loaner, I'm not going to put it through some of the intense drop testing I might otherwise, but suffice to say, it feels like it's going to last a long time. JBL has endowed this speaker with a built-in rechargeable battery that measures about 7,500 milliamps, so that should give the device about 20 hours of playtime. Now, worth noting though, it takes about 5.5 hours to fully recharge it, so be prepared if you're going to be heading off the grid. The speaker though will power off automatically when it's not in use, and that does help you save battery. I left the speaker on all day and all night to test the battery, and I'd say it came pretty close to the stated battery life. The JBL Charge 4 allows you to connect up to 2 smartphones or tablets at the same time, meaning you can keep it connected and controllable from your phone and your tablet, or share DJ duties with a pal. This actually seems to work really well, though one device can technically cut the other device off, so you'll have to play nice if you're sharing. Another key feature of the Charge 4 is that it's water resistant. It has an IPX7 waterproof rating, meaning it's protected from accidental drops into water that's about 1 meter or 3 feet deep for up to 30 minutes. This speaker is a loaner, so I didn't test out this feature. There's no speakerphone on this speaker, which might be a disadvantage since most other portable speakers do offer that feature. But for me, that's yet another feature I never actually use in practice, so I really don't feel like I'm missing out on anything. This speaker, though, does allow for a direct connection to your device using the 3.5mm auxiliary jack if you're analog like that. Initially, I was kind of meh on the JBL Charge 4 when I was getting ready to do the review and checking out the features. Then I turned it on. Wow! The sound is incredible. The bass is out of this world. It's strong and rich. The overall sound quality is really great. Indoors, it fills my living room kitchen area with high quality sound that's even and doesn't lean to either the high or the low end unnaturally. Overall, what this speaker is lacking in a smart digital assistant, it more than makes up for in sound quality. If you're getting a portable wireless Bluetooth speaker for the sound, this one will not disappoint. You can read more about it by heading over to blog.bestbuy.ca, where we've posted a full write-up. Now, if you like this video and you found it helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing, since it does help us keep making more videos that we hope everyone out there can watch, enjoy, and learn from. I'm Erin. You can find me on Twitter or Instagram until the next time at ErinLYYC. You can also follow me on my Facebook page at facebook.com/TechGadgetsCanada.